Hi children, welcome back. Today in this session we are going to discuss most frequently asked questions in Sandhi whichever have been given from last 5 years in the question papers. In this 2025 paper all the questions you can solve, I think, right? If not, once you go through all the Sandhis previous session, all the classes once if you see, then you can solve these all easily. The first one in this question paper is Vidyardhi. The word is Vidyardhi. So if you divide this word Vidya plus Ardhi. And which Sandhi? Exactly. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi or Dirgha Sandhi you can write. And next one, Narendraha. Nara plus Indraha. What is which sandhi this is? Guna. And next, Mamaiva. Mama plus Eva. Which sandhi it is? Vriddhi. And Paramaishwaryam. Parama plus Aishwaryam. So, which sandhi? Again, Vriddhi sandhi. Next, Pratyaham. Prati plus Aham. Ended with E, started with vowel. Then, Yanadesa sandhi, Pratyaham, Yan sandhi. And Devyuvacha. This is also Yan sandhi. Devi plus Uvacha. Devyuvacha, Yan sandhi. Right? Tavatra. Tau plus Atra. Tavatra. Here Ayadi sandhi or else Ayavayava sandhi. Ayadi sandhi. This is Tau plus Atra Tav. Guro plus Ava. Very simple. Last sandhi. In the place of A avagra. Guro plus Atra. Which sandhi? Purva Rupa. Understood? Next, add the words. Kavi plus Indraha. Here in the place of E plus He, Kavindraha we are writing. Which sandhi? Dirgha sandhi. Vadhu plus Uha. This is also Dirgha sandhi. Vadhuha. Guna plus Uttamaha. Gunottamaha. Yes. So, Guna sandhi. Tava plus Ilrikaraha. Tavalkaraha. This is also Guna sandhi. Nava plus Aushadham. Navaushadham. Nava plus Aushadham. Navaushadham. Vriddhi sandhi. Okay. Navaushadham. Okay. Next. Abhi plus Unnatihi. Abhyunnatihi. This is Yan sandhi. Ya came na in the place of Ye. Ya we got. Dhatru plus Amshaha. Dhatramshaha. We got Ra. So this is called Yan sandhi. Bhano plus Atra. Purva Rupa sandhi. Here ended with O. Here Atra is there in the place of O. A we will write Avagraha. This is called Purva Rupa sandhi. Is it not easy? Yes. Thank you. See that March 2024 paper. All the words already in previous session, in the previous class we discussed those words only are repeating in all papers. You can observe that Gajananaha, Gaja plus Ananaha, Gajananaha, Dirgha sandhi. Maha plus Utsavaha, Mahotsavaha, Guna sandhi. Mama plus Eva, Mamaiva, Vriddhi sandhi. Vani plus Eka, Vanyeka, Yanadesa sandhi. And this Gurave and Haraye are from Ayadi sandhi. Guro plus Ye, Gurave. Hare plus Ye, Haraye. These two are related to Ayadi sandhi. Kavi plus Indraha, Kavindraha, Dirgha sandhi. Udare plus Arbhakam. Here A. Avagra symbol replaced with A. Udare plus Arbhakam, Purva Rupa sandhi. If you add the words here in this, Subha plus Angaha, Subhangaha, Dirgha sandhi. Here we got Guna plus Uttamaha, Gunottamaha. Guna sandhi we are getting. Maha plus Aikyata, Mahaikyata we are getting instead of these two. So this is Vruddhi sandhi. K plus Api, this is Purvarupa sandhi. In the place of A we are writing Avagra symbol. Tau plus Atra, Tavatra, Ayadi sandhi. Su plus Agatam, Swagatam, Yanadesa sandhi. And here next Prati plus Upakaraha, Pratyupakaraha. In this place, your place we are getting, E place we are getting yo, Pratyupakaraha. This is also Yanadesa sandhi. Vidya plus Arthi, Vidyarthi, Dirgha sandhi. Understood? These questions are from March 2023 paper. First one, Gaja plus Ananaha, Gajananaha, Dirgha sandhi. Nara plus Indraha, Narendraha, Guna. Tava plus Yeva, Tavaiva, Vruddhi. Prati plus Aham, Pratyaham, Yanadesha. Haraye, Hare plus Ye, Haraye, Ayadi. Next, K plus Api, Kepi, Avagra, Kemna, Purvarupa. Guru plus Upadeshaha, Guru Upadesaha, Dirgha sandhi again. Maha plus Utsavaha, Mahotsavaha, Guna sandhi. So, 2 Guna sandhi are there, 2 Dirgha sandhi are there. With this only you will get the marks, right? Next, Chatvari sandhi nirdesha sahitam sandatta. Add Vidya plus Alayaha, Vidyalayaha, Dirgha sandhi. Parama plus Ishaha, Parameshaha, Guna sandhi. Nava plus Aushadham, Navaushadham, Vriddhi sandhi. Abhi plus Unnatihi, Abhyunnatihi, Yanadesa sandhi. Nai plus Akaha, Nayakaha, yes, Ayadi sandhi. Bano plus Atra, Purvarupam, Bhanoatra, Avagra will come. Shashi plus Shiva, Shashiva, Dirgha sandhi. And Guna plus Uttama, Gunottama is the Guna sandhi. March 2022 paper. First question, Subha plus Angaha. First question, Subha Angaha, how to divide? Subha plus Angaha. Which sandhi? Dirgha sandhi. Okay. And again Guru Upadesha they gave. Right? Dirgha sandhi. Again Haraye plus Gurave. Haraye plus Gurave. These two related to Ayadi sandhi. Again Parameshaha repeated. Bhanoatra repeated. Kepi repeated. And Maha plus Aushadhihi, Mahaushadhihi repeated. Prati plus Upakaraha, Pratyupakaraha, Yanadesa sandhi. Diva plus Aukashaha, Divaukashaha, Vruddhi sandhi. Okay. Gajananaha, again this word repeated. Vani plus Yeka, this one repeated. Udare Arbhakam, this one also repeated. Mama plus Eva, Mamaiva repeated. Nara plus Indraha, Narendraha repeated. Padav Upagrihya, Padav Upagrihya we are getting. This is called Ayadi sandhi. Gai plus Akaha, Gayakaha. Gai plus Akaha, Gayakaha. This is also Ayadi sandhi. And Nara plus Indraha again repeated. Maha plus Aikyata, Mahaikyata, Vriddhi sandhi. Gate plus Api in the place of A, Avagra, Purvarupam. Prati plus Agamanam, Pratyagamanam, Yanadesa sandhi. Gajananaha again repeated. Understood? If you see this March 2021 paper, these all questions only repeated in the next years till 2025. Here previously already from 2025 we discussed all the questions. Those questions all from March 2021 paper. Vidyalayaha, Gayakaha, Swagatam, Parameshaha, Kepi, Mahaushadhihi, Tadhaiva, Bhanotra, Gunottamaha, Pratyaham, Tavatra, Guru Upadesaha. All questions repeated in every year. March 22, 23, 24, 25. All questions we discussed. All are repeatedly only coming. And here Gajananaha, adding also Gajananaha, Devyuvacha, Gavavete, Mamaiva, Narendraha, Haraye, Gurova, Rajarshihi, Paramaishwaryam, Gatepi, Dhatramshaha, Kavindraha. All words are repeatedly these only coming in all years. Okay. If you practice all the 5 years questions also, those are enough for you for final exam. I hope all of you understood clearly. Thank you.